Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is Samsung T290 tablet. Recently the charging port is no longer working, so I need to replace it. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this part. To buy the actual port is more cheaper, but it's very difficult to change because you need a soldering gun, then you need to have the skills of soldering and desoldering. So if you buy the complete part, you can replace it easily, and the price is reasonable, which is less than £7 to buy this part from eBay or any other social site. Alright, so first of all you should have some tools, include the SIM ejector, Phillips screwdriver, flat opening tool. Once you have that, we can perform. So first of all we need to take out this back part and get access into the main board, disconnect the battery, and then we're going to disconnect the actual part and replace with it. Okay, and this is a very short process, but it takes time because of there is no screws. It's all about the clips, and I didn't fast forward the video that long. I tried to make it shorter, but it took still more than 10 to 15 minutes. And still, if you do have any question, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section, and I hope you will enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe if you do like this video.